So yeah. And throw in a Lose Mr. Crappie Thunder Ultralight with just a grub, small grub. Hopefully we can catch some big bluegill. My pond is like crystal clear, so I can see everything. It's really cool when you can see a fish bite. So yeah, eat it now. Can you eat it? My pond has bass in it, but they're not that big. Biggest fish I've caught out of here, it was a few years ago. We've been in a drought. It was a 6-pound largemouth. I'll put that photo up on screen right now. But I don't think he's still in here. It'd be amazing if he was, but I don't think he is. Know if like anything needs changed. It's my second video. But yeah. Oh my. I need some braid. I hate mono. Might not be able to see it, but right here. What? Ow, he almost ate it. That was a big bluegill. Dude. And exactly what I was saying. Hold up. Look at that. Completely swallowed it. I don't even know how. He barely has time to eat it. Little bluegill. Definitely not the big ones, but it's a beautiful fish either way. Whoa. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more long form content. I probably should, just because I really don't a lot. But let me know. What? Come on, let me get one more. Oh, I had one. Got one. No, that was a big. A bunch of. Got one. Oh my, it's good. I think it's a bass. Oh no, it's a big bluegill. Yeah, he's not that big. It's not small though. Yeah, not a bad bluegill. Oh shoot, I haven't been. Maybe he'll bite again. Nope. And I only have 4-pound line on, so I don't want to lose anything. There are some bass over here though. I just got, okay. Great cast by me. This pond was stocked with catfish, but like I said, we weren't, I cannot cast. Like I said, we were in a drought, and like right here used to be all the way up there, but yeah, it's gone now. The back pond, I used to pull giant fish out of there, but like the front one, it was in a drought, and one winter all the fish were dead on shore. It was sad. Oh, got one. Ooh, pull and drag. Another good one. Swallowed it like normal. Another bluegill. It's a good one. I say that every time. And he swallowed it like normal. Not big, but it's a good size.
Sabor latino, traigo sí señor, sabor latino. Sabor latino, traigo sí señor, sabor latino. Donde traigo yo la esencia, brindo la
We're at the other pond now. Had a great lunch, but got to get back to fishing. The same rod I was using earlier, bluegill rod. And then, I also brought my bass rod. And I was using frog last night, but there's some big bass in here. Like, I'll show one on screen right now. But yeah, I'm gonna throw a few cast perch in here. They hide out under there because it's so warm right now. And, I forgot what I was gonna say. Alright, there's also some pike and carp in here. I've never really had good luck with frogs in here, but might as well try. Yeah, I also suck at walking frogs, as you can tell. I don't use them a lot. To catch, I don't know. I'm gonna do one more. Okay. Can't see. Could also do a little fishing in the creek. Caught some big fish out of there. Also, it'd be nice for my species list. Make sure you go look at that video. I'll throw it right here. So yeah, the carp normally lays out in under that tree in the shade. I've seen some small pike throughout here. That was in the spring. Oh, he ate it. That's a chunky boy. Oh, he swallowed it. Bro, I don't know how they do. Got a little bluegill. First catch of this pond today. I wish I could get up close to the pond, but I can't. So let's throw them in. Probably like 2-pounder. Got one. Another bluegill. There's also sunfish in here, right here. He swallowed it again, like normal. Ow. Little bluegill. And I just love fishing. Nothing can beat it. I don't really care what I catch. Fish are fish. And it's always fun to catch them. No matter what, I see a little bass I'm gonna try to catch. And I catch them nowhere near it. And I have one. Oh my god! Bro, no. Okay, we're good. He came off. He's right here.